Today we will cook fantastic Italian pasta puttanesca. It has an unusual taste and delicious flavor. We will need extra virgin olive oil, olives, capers, tomatoes and juice, garlic, anchovies, pesto, and parsley. For this recipe we bought pasta alla americana. Boil the water, smash the garlic, clean it, add a bit of salt to the water, add pasta to the pot, cook an al dente spaghetti. While it's cooking, chop the garlic, extra virgin olive oil to the pan, put anchovies into the oil. Add garlic and mix it. Wash the capers in cold water and smash them with a knife. Crumble the olives to put the juice out of the olives into the pan. Mash tomatoes with your hands. Chop the parsley and add parsley to the mashed tomatoes. Mix everything. Add some chili, seal the spaghetti with the sauce. Serve in a plate. Green on top. And tasty olives from the pan. Some white wine. Let's taste pasta puttanesca. Super good. 5 of 5. Subscribe. See you.